Hello there, stranger. Who are you?
You can call me Mr. Parasitic Worm.
Well, hello there, Mr. Sarapitic Perm.
Close enough. By the way, my friend, have you had breakfast yet? I've prepared some delicious eggs right over there.
My favourite. I'm starving.
Then by all means, eat your fill. I love making new friends.
Oh, those eggs were delicious.
I love making new friends. I don't feel so good. Something's wrong inside. I don't feel like myself. I love making new friends. Do exactly as I wish.